Good afternoon to all of you. I'm Maureen Mejares from VIT3C. Before that, I will teach you how to make chicken nuggets. For the ingredients of chicken nuggets, we have the grilled chicken. And for the curing mix, we have the refined salt, phosphate, and chilled water. And for extenders, we have the PVC, isolate, and carrageenan. But before that, in half cup of water, we already hydrated the PVC into half cup of chilled water. And then after 5 minutes, we add the carrageenan and isolate. For seasonings, we have the refined sugar, nutmeg, white pepper, garlic powder, MSG, meat enhancer, sesame oil, and the breadcrumbs. For the procedure, we mix the curing mix into the grilled chicken. We have the refined salt, phosphate, and chilled water. And then we mix it. We will mix it until the ground chicken absorbs all the ingredients. And after that, we add the extenders. Then mix it again until the ground chicken absorbs it. Then after that, we add the seasonings. We have the refined sugar, white pepper, garlic powder, meat enhancers, MSG, and last the sesame oil. After that, mix it again until the ground chicken absorbs it. Okay. Very short one. And And after mixing it, we can form it into different shapes and make it into breadcrumbs. We can measure it by using 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon and then put it into the breadcrumbs before we can shape it.